Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. If you're using the Brave browser on your mobile device and want to browse the internet more securely, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable safe browsing to help protect yourself from dangerous websites and online threats. Open the Brave browser on your mobile device. Tap the three-dot menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll and tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Safe Browsing. Tap on Safe Browsing and you will see different levels of protection. Choose Standard Protection to enable safe browsing. This option will help you block harmful websites without affecting your browsing experience too much. And that's it. You've now enabled safe browsing on Brave Mobile. Make sure to stay updated and browse responsibly. For more helpful tech tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.